Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the DREAME Robot Vacuum. So this vacuum in particular, I do want to thank the company for actually gifting this to me, but it looks sleek. It is a 1 or 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming robot vacuum, but let's actually see how it works. So there is an app control for this vacuum, and with this vacuum in particular, I do have it upstairs on carpet. So it's a two-way vacuum as far as first it's got to read the room, and then it actually starts to understand the layout of the room. And once it does, that's when it starts the actual vacuuming process. So this vacuum here is actually quite silent. It doesn't make a lot of noise compared to other vacuums that I've used before. As you can see, it has now been turned on. But with it though, it's currently vacuuming the carpet. I've tested this with pet hair and dog hair, and this does a really good job as far as picking that up. But with this DREAME vacuum, you can see how it works. I do have a dog that sheds, and there is a lot of pet hair on the floor, which pet hair I actually can't see. But even so, this is still able to pick up that pet hair. So if I go ahead and return it home, we'll pause it for a second, and then click on the home button. It'll now return to the dock automatically in order to charge. But I must say that after a couple months of using this, I've had no problems with it whatsoever. It really does work well, and you can see there's a double brush motor system that it actually uses to clean. Once in a while, you just have to empty out the dustbin, but overall, very, very pleased with it.